I have to say, this actually sounds pretty good. Now, this is just a temporary solution because I don't have an aftermarket stereo with auxiliary inputs. So I actually have this hooked up to an FM transmitter, which is a Scotch. And even for an FM transmitter, which unfortunately cuts off at about 15,000 hertz, so you're not going to get the best clarity of music through that, but it does a good job still. But my plan is later on to get an aftermarket head unit with auxiliary inputs, so I can use this with the aftermarket head unit, which will be going to all aftermarket speakers rated at higher than 20,000 hertz at the very least, and it's going to sound fantastic. But for the moment, this temporary solution I have here actually sounds pretty good. Now, my only issue, which is not the device's fault at all, is that I have a little bit of a ground loop noise. In other words, some alternator whine. So I might have to get some sort of ground loop isolator device or some kind of inline filter to cut that noise down a little bit, but that's not the fault of the device itself. But yeah, sounds great. It's fantastic.
I knew love would be complicated. I began to touch, but you wouldn't let it